Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Toyota Land Cruiser, which has just been unveiled globally. After a 13-year production period of the previous generation Land Cruiser, Toyota has finally launched the 6th generation Toyota Land Cruiser SUV, which is completely all new with new engines, new technology, and a brand new body. Here are the top 5 facts you need to know about the 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser SUV. The first thing is design. Similar to the previous generation model, the all-new Land Cruiser retains its boxy look and huge size. However, the front fascia and rear design are completely different, lending the Land Cruiser a more modern look. The new Land Cruiser gets an all-new grille, which is bigger and also gets some honeycomb grille surround, and even the headlamps are boxy, while also getting simple-looking LED DRLs and LED headlamps. The tail lamps have become sleeker than before, with a properly squared tailgate, and in the side profile, the Land Cruiser 2022 still looks like a huge boxy SUV. Toyota has also revealed images of the Land Cruiser in a sportier avatar with a whole new front end, getting a larger blacked out honeycomb grille, blacked out wheels and off-road specific tires. This is likely to be a Land Cruiser in the Gazoo Racing Guys, which is Toyota's performance division. The next thing obviously is interior. The previous generation Land Cruiser's interior was pretty dated with the lack of latest technology. However, this new Land Cruiser gets an all-new interior with more premium materials. The interior too maintains a boxy theme with the freestanding touchscreen at the top of the center console and a dual-tone black and beige color theme. Being such an expensive SUV, the Land Cruiser offers almost all features you will need, including multi-zone automatic climate control, power-adjustable and ventilated seats, complete leather upholstery, adaptive cruise control, electronic park brake, and keyless entry with push-button start. The new Land Cruiser also claims to provide more comfortable second and third row seats with optimized space and seating position. That said, being the flagship SUV of the Toyota range, the Land Cruiser still offers an analog instrument cluster, a large and bulky transmission selector lever, and a regular size sunroof which is not panoramic. The third significant change to the all-new Land Cruiser is the platform and powertrain options. The all-new Toyota Land Cruiser is based on an all-new GAF platform, making this all-new model around 200 kilograms lighter than the previous model, resulting in better performance and efficiency. In terms of powertrains though, Toyota has ditched its V8 engine and is instead offering twin-turbo V6 engines for the petrol and diesel. The 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 petrol produces 415 PS of maximum power and 650 Nm of maximum torque, while the 3.3-litre twin-turbo V6 diesel produces 309 PS of maximum power and 700 Nm of maximum torque. Both these engines are mated to the very same 10-speed automatic gearbox with standard multi-terrain select drive modes, which alter the characteristics of the traction control, suspension and four-wheel drive. The fourth yet most important thing on the Toyota Land Cruiser is its off-road capability and technology. The new 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser gets the EKDSS, or the Electronic Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, which allows for better wheel articulation and better traction during off-roading. The new Land Cruiser also gets multi-terrain monitor, which showcases obstacles underneath the car so as to guide the car safely from the off-road terrain. Lastly, there is the multi-terrain select drive modes that automatically selects the best off-road settings, altering the traction control, throttle response and suspension for the kind of terrain you are traveling on. Being the flagship SUV of the Toyota range, the Land Cruiser provides a whole host of safety features including 10 airbags, multi-terrain ABS and EBD, pretensioners for the second row seat belts, advanced vehicle stability control, traction control, hill start assist, hill descent assist, crawl control and even adaptive cruise control. It also gets the new Toyota Safety Sense Active Safety Package that consists of features like the pre-collision system with collision avoidance assist and emergency brake assist. That was all about the all-new 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser flagship SUV. Toyota has confirmed that the all-new Land Cruiser will be coming to India. However, the Indian launch is expected to happen only by the second half of 2022 with an expected price range of Rs 1.5 crore to 1.8 crore. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this all-new 6th generation Toyota Land Cruiser SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.